Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating for you today. This is a Simplex all stainless steel conveyor, tabletop chain as you can see, mounted on two post legs which are adjustable, sitting at about 35 inches right here at the center. Double rails of course. Does have a small discharge dead plate there. See a little water there, we've just given it a wash. It is direct drive, so this is the speed it runs at, showing 58 RPM on the drive. Of course, you can simply add, it's three-phase, you can simply add a AC frequency controller to have variable speed on the conveyor. We have lots of conveyors of all types in our inventory, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.